Okay, gifting. I mean, I have a lot of people on my list I need to gift for, but I actually just want to gift myself. Does anybody else have that problem? Because that's my problem. And yes, I want to wear this all holiday season, but I want to gift this amazing Michael Stars set to myself because it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna get up close because look at the little waffle knit. What I love about this is like this mineral washing. So it's got like this tint of brown, but it's a black little set, lightweight hoodie, banding on the bottom. You guys, this is so cozy. It literally feels like I'm wearing a cloud. I don't even know what a cloud feels like, but it's really lightweight. So I love that you can layer. And then when I'm thinking about spring, I just want spring to come because that means 2020 is over. This would be such an easy set to be wearing underneath like a cute little spring jacket, a pair of sneakers. Obviously the holidays look so different for all of us. It does for our family. We're gonna be keeping it chill, being at home, watching holiday movies, trying to think of every craft possible we can do to keep ourselves busy, and this is what I want to wear. Okay, so again, waffle knit on the joggers, and I just realized this, that all the seaming has like this little, can you see this? I know this, I'm like, here, look here in the most awkward part of my body, but this like edging that's so cute along the seaming, and then wearing the slipper of the season, these super cute Minnetonka slippers. This is like a give one to yourself, give one to somebody else, under $50. Such a great price point on these slippers. 3 colors, but yes, all holiday season, I am rocking this little Michael Stars set. Okay, also, speaking of gifting, new amazing Sadies in so easy for that person. You don't even know what to get them. I don't know, I'm like in some of the, what are they called now? Where you like pick a name and then you have them and you have, oh, like, why can't I think of this? Dang it, the holidays are getting to me. Anyways, this is just like a no-brainer gift that everybody will love. They can add to their original stack, so good. Okay, if you're not a set lover and you're just like, I can't do it, I don't wanna invest in that, but like, oh, that product looks so good and cozy and yummy, you guys can just grab the sweatshirt. The sweatshirt comes in 3 other colors. I'm obsessing over this. Like, how cute would that be? Even just like a little pair of jeans or another little jogger. All of it is like that washed, amazing mineral wash. How pretty is that khaki tan? And then this like really beautiful blue. So if you don't love this set, you still can get in on that really cozy Michael Stars sweatshirt just to feel relaxed. But you guys, happy holidays. I hope you guys are all well and safe, and I'll see you later.